Bless up.
Alright, keep that steady hand, big man. Recording?
They wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Yeah.
Woo! Ghost! Gang! Family, what is up with y'all? Yo, Budget Day. I'm coming back at y'all with another video. Got another sneaker review for y'all. I said that I was going to start bringing back some sneaker reviews, so that's what it is. But before we get into the video, bro, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. All those links are in the description of this video. If you are new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. I'm trying to reach 9K, man. Like 100 and something subs away from reaching 9,000 subscribers. So let's see if we can hit 9K. If you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button for the kid. Smash that like button for the kid. You dig what I'm saying? Do it for the culture. Like I always say, but we're doing everything on this channel purely for the culture, nothing else. You dig what I'm saying? Today, bro, you know, I went out to the mall, woo or whatever. You know, I always go out to the mall on Fridays, because Fridays is my days off and I could actually go out and get shit done. Normally it'd be payday, but today wasn't payday, you know what I'm saying? This Friday wasn't payday, next Friday gonna be payday, but I still go out and I try to go to the mall, see what's in the mall. Might cop some shoes, might cop some shit or not. I went in the Foot Locker today. Like I always say, man, it's always a special shit with me, you know what I'm saying? We don't never buy from third-party websites shoes that come out. You dig what I'm saying? We always gonna go to the source. Going to the source, we ain't going on no third-party websites, bro. We don't get no fugazis, so that's how you avoid getting fugazis. I be seeing a lot of videos on YouTube, niggas be like, oh man, so-and-so website, it sells fakes. Oh, I got these shoes from this YouTuber, they're fake, they're B-grade, shit like that, man. To avoid all that bullshit that I'm talking about, bro, just don't get your shit from the next nigga. Get your shit from the source. Foot Locker, Foot Action, Finish Line, goddamn Champs. You know what I mean? Shit like that, dog. Just get your shit from the source, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, we went to Foot Locker. Still got the bill on the table, nigga, for the culture, you dig what I'm saying? Got the brush in the bag, you know what I'm saying? Gotta have the waves on deck. You feel me? I'm pretty sure y'all seen by the title, man. Y'all know what shoes these is. Y'all seen by the thumbnail, that crazy ass thumbnail I be doing. I know what time it is, bro. Size 10 and a half. Let me get y'all right real quick. Let me get y'all right, man. I fixed my zoom on this, man. It's still shitty, but I fixed it a little bit, you get what I'm saying? But size 10 and a half, Air Jordan Low 1, you feel me? You know, you got your little scan code. You know, retail price, 90 bucks. You know, something light, you feel me? You got your 23 on the box. You know, regular gold jump, man, on the box. You feel me? Flip that open like that, bing. Flip that was open like that, bow. You did what I'm saying? The Air Jordan Royal Toe 1s, bro. These came out, I believe, in just sometime in July. I don't know the exact date. My Foot Locker actually still had them, and they got the gold toe ones, I believe, so, and my size, at my Foot Locker. So I got these from West Shore Mall in Tampa, Florida. Still got them, man. These things are so icy, bro. I'm just into like lows, like anything that fits like a old school van. Like that's what I'm into, bro. I love Jordan 1s, man. You see these over here. You see I got my babies, the Defiant ones over here. I might do a lace swap, actually. I might do a lace swap. I might throw some, I don't know, just throw some white ones in there just to throw it off a little bit. You know what I mean? Just to throw it off a little bit. You dig what I'm saying? I don't know, something different though. Throw some blue laces on them or something like that. But yeah, anyways, dog, the Royal Toe 1s, bro. These are so, woo! Yes, sir. These bitches is fire as fuck, bro. Let me know if you caught these in the comment section. I don't know what happened when these released or how the release was. I don't know if these like sold out online or whatnot, but I don't think they did sell out online. Not like right away type shit, because I think I seen them on like, I didn't get them on Foot Locker, but it'd be like big ass sizes, like size 13, size 14. But I'm not too sure, dog. But these bitches are fire though, man. I'm telling you, dog. If you don't, hey, man. Come on, man. You know, just some cool shit, you know, you slip on. These like Air Jordan 1 lows are like some shit you just like, you know, you like type slip on and just, you know, hit it, you know, run to the store, you know, just, or just if you going out, you're not trying to do too much. You just trying to kick it. You know, you just throw these on, bro. You know, you ain't doing too much. You You know, like my nigga Wayne say, man, I'm chilling, but my swag on full attack, dig? That's a quote from one of the GOATs, best to ever do it, you know what I'm saying? Let's review the shoe a little bit. We got the 23, on the front of the tongue, or in the middle of the tongue. Actually got the 23 going down. You got the nylon tongue, like every Air Jordan 1. Got a nylon tongue, the black Nike swoosh, and on the back you got your old school Jordan logo, the flight logo. So and on the bottom you got your blue bottoms. These ain't red bottoms, but they blue bottoms, you know what I'm saying? We got that Nipsey blue. You dig me? That's what we call these, man. The Nipsey blue toe ones. You dig what I'm saying? It's RP to Nipsey Hussle, you dig what I'm saying? Real GOAT shit on RP to that, man. Nipsey blue toe ones. You feel me? Real GOATish. Real shit, man. Shout out to Nipsey Hussle. Also, as you see, got the, you know what I'm saying, got that Nipsey blue on the toe box. Real OG shit, you know, real OG. These ain't the highs, but these the lows. The lows is just as clean as the highs. Let me know in the comment section, what would you prefer? You want the lows? Rather have the lows or the highs? I know niggas want the highs because, you know, it's the highs, it's the OG, you know what I'm saying? Got the little Nike on the tongue and all that bullshit, but lows is just as better, bro. Lows is just something smooth. You can wear them with shorts. The highs you really can't wear with shorts, you feel me? I feel like, nah, it just don't look right. Can, but it just don't look too right. But just, you know what I'm saying? You want to throw the lows on, you know, just to chill, just to, you know, kick it. Man, throw these on. See the toe box, man. Real OG shit. Got the Nipsey blue on the toe box. Again, man, the black around the panel, color blocking crazy on these. Let me know in the comment section if y'all cop or drop these. These bitches is fresh. Let me know if y'all want me to do an on foot of these. You know what I mean? I'll do on foot for y'all. Let me know if y'all want me to do on foot, how to lace them. Let me know in the comment section. Like I said, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's try to hit 9K. Join the family. Join the Ghost Gang family, bro. Join the Ghost Gang family. Make sure you spam out the Ghost emoji in the comment section. If you made it to the end of the video, you dig what I'm saying. Smash that like button for the culture. Let's aim for 30 likes. We always aim for 30 likes, you feel me? Let's just aim for 30 likes just for the culture. Everything pretty for the culture. It is the one and only MajorKixx, aka the nigga with the waves, aka the tall guy, the LA hat. But this ain't the LA hat today. This is a, you know, Tampa Bay Rays hat. But we still thugging.
Hating, say we changing, look, we made